In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unapprove a report in Expensify using their new interface. Whether you're a seasoned user or relatively new to the platform, this guide will help you navigate the necessary steps with ease. To get started, you'll need to log into your Expensify workspace. From there, go to the main dashboard where you manage all financial reports and transactions. You'll notice a variety of options available. But for the purpose of unapproving a report, you'll want to direct your attention to the Reports section. This section will provide a comprehensive view of all the reports associated with your account. Next, click on the Reports tab. This will take you to a more focused view where you can see all the reports that you've handled, along with their statuses. Here you'll find a sub-menu that includes an option named Reports, which you should select. This gives you access to a list of all active or archived financial reports that you might want to modify or review. Once you're in the appropriate menu, the next step is to choose the specific report you wish to unapprove. Scroll through the listed reports and select the one you're interested in by clicking on it. When you hover over each report, you'll typically see a View button, or you might have the option of double-clicking the report directly to open it fully. Doing so will provide you with a detailed view of that particular report and its associated transactions. With the report now open, direct your attention to the top right section of the report interface. There, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled More. Click on it to reveal a set of additional options. As you navigate through these options, look for the one labeled Undo Close. This is the specific option you need to unapprove the report. Selecting this option will reverse the approval, reverting the report to a state where it can be edited, reviewed, or processed further. And there you have it. The report is now unapproved. This feature is incredibly useful for cases where mistakes were made or additional adjustments need to be incorporated into the report. Remember, unapproving a report often means it hasn't been finalized. It's like handing over a document to a colleague saying, "Let's revisit this before we sign off." I hope this guide has made it simple to unapprove reports in Expensify using the latest interface. It's a straightforward process once you know where to go and what to click, ensuring that you maintain accurate financial records without any unintended roadblocks. As you continue to use Expensify, these steps should become second nature, making report management efficient and stress-free. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting!